Pixel Buds Pro. Google Pixel Buds Pro are a better option than Pixel Buds because they have a longer battery life and a more attractive design. It has a higher build quality and a better design. This product's battery life is excellent, lasting more than 5 hours on a single charge. This product has excellent audio quality. Because it is low in weight, this product is quite pleasant to wear. It has a superior design. It has a superior design. This gadget has an outstanding battery life. This product's battery life is excellent. It is quite comfortable to wear. It is quite comfortable to wear. This product's audio quality is excellent. Cons: it is pretty costly. It is pretty costly. This product's sound quality is not as excellent as that of the Pixel Buds. This product's sound quality is not as excellent as that of the Pixel Buds. This product's design is not as nice as that of the Pixel Buds. This product's design is not as nice as that of the Pixel Buds. This product's audio quality is excellent. Google Pixel Buds Pro are new earbuds released by the search engine giant Google. The earphones have been enhanced with various additional features to deliver a better listening experience. The earphones are priced at $200 and may be purchased via the Google Store. The silicone ear tips of the earphones have been engineered to provide a better fit. The earphones have been intended to be pleasant to use and come with an adjustable loop. The earphones have an IPX4 rating and have been engineered to provide a snug fit. The earphones have been developed with 2 microphones to provide a better audio experience. The earphones were created to provide a crisp and realistic sound. The earphones have been developed to provide a rich and immersive listening experience. The earbuds are equipped with a touch sensor and are designed to provide a hands-free experience. The earbuds have been designed to provide a seamless experience and come with a fast charging case.